everyone, welcome once again to my vlog. I hope everyone is doing fine. Today we are in Vienna, Austria. Today, insert effects. So it's my first time in Vienna, Austria, and I have been bidding for this layover for 2 months now. Luckily, they gave me. Problem is, it's a bit chilly outside. It may look sunny and everything, but it's very cold outside. I think it's only 9 degrees, but we will survive. As long as Mr. Sun is right there, we will survive. Anyway, I have no idea what to do, but I'm so excited to see the city, to try the food, and to check out the monuments or art or any exhibit palaces, because Vienna is actually famous for having like really bonggang palaces. So I will experience that one. Hopefully, I will experience that one today. Time check, it's 10 in the morning. We have plenty of time. We have the whole day ahead of us. Let's go. By the way, let's do the OOTD first. OOTD check. Fit check. Very cold outside. I'm gonna be wearing this jacket. It's a coat that I got. Actually, it's from a Japanese crew. And she bought it from Shein, so I bought it from her because she left the company. A turtleneck shirt, because as what I said, it's very cold outside. Inside, I have my thermal shirt, and then I have my inner shirt because it's really cold, and I'm not kidding. And then I have my skirt because, you know, it's not a good layover if I'm not wearing a skirt.
Put up or shut up.
And then I'm wearing my fishnet stockings paired with my high-heeled boots, which I got from Shein. So all of these are like literally freaking cheap. I didn't do anything with my hair. I just arrived from the flight. I know, I look gorgeous. Anyway, let's go. I'm at the hotel right now, and I'm walking towards the metro. Oh my god, it's freezing. It's so cold. Thought I'm gonna take a metro, but it's actually a tram like this one. So my tram is not yet here. Wow, talk about timing. I'm in a different bus right now because apparently buying a ticket is difficult here in Vienna. You have to go to the main station, and this Australian girl, she helped me. She's very nice. I even forgot to ask her name and like take selfie with her because the bus that I'm going to ride, going to the palace, is already here, and we didn't have time, and she has to go somewhere, but she was very nice. The last bus stop towards the palace, and I have to walk for 14 minutes and enjoy the neighborhood and listen to the birds because there's no bus going to the palace. You have to walk, so yeah. I have no idea that you have to get through a forest before reaching the end goal. There's actually a good view in here, and I kind of like the vibe. I want to take pictures. There are people jogging like her, and this is the end of our walk. Is it the end or just the beginning? The architecture is very nice. Yes, I'm coming to the palace. So that was just a souvenir shop at a restaurant. I expected a lot from it, but then this was the real deal. Oh, not seen from here so far. This is the palace. Quite a long walk, but we got this. And it goes like this. Get in the car. So finally I reached the bottom of the hill, and the first thing that I saw was this beauty. Oh, you cannot see it, but it's a very nice fountain, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. This one is so nice. It's made from the 1970s. Sorry, 1770s. This one. And there's a lot of them. Look at that one behind. And the whole place basically is filled with art. So you will really enjoy it here if you love art so much. Actually, I've been trying to figure out how to go inside. The place is closed. Oh, this is sad. I definitely want to see the interior of this palace. Looked it up on Google and it looks really nice. Good people behind. I'm gonna go grab some lunch somewhere. Specifically, I want to eat pork ribs because my Korean colleague told me that pork ribs in Vienna are really good and it's one of their main local dishes. So let's see if I can find a restaurant near me and then I'll update you guys once I get a table for myself. So this one is the Target. I heard this place is very popular here, but I'm still gonna try, you know. I don't have 2 weeks to book, so let's try this place. I was able to get inside. It was not busy. Actually, there's still a lot of people, but I said I can dine even though I didn't reserve anything. I'm so happy because this place is really popular and now I get to try their pork ribs. And actually, there's a twist. It's a buffet and it's cheaper than the a la carte. It's only 13.50 while the a la carte pork ribs is 17.50. So, yay! Finished eating. And now I'm on my way to St. Paul's Church. Kita ko eh. Get in here is the Hofburg Palace in the city because the other two places I went to, they were both closed. Hopefully this one is open and I can get inside because I really want to see some Baroque art. Really nice, but then they only allowed me to go into the free space because they have a lot of tours today. And yeah, look at the detail of that fine art. Wow, this is such an amazing structure. Anyway, so that concludes this vlog. But I had fun in Vienna. It's just that, you know, I wasn't lucky today. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.